Welcome back everyone, JT here with TheYotaGarage. Now whether you have a brand new Toyota Tundra or a used one and you are looking to add a little bit more protection to your carpets and just maybe spruce up the interior of your truck, one of the first upgrades is going to be either floor liners or floor mats on your Toyota Tundra. Now one of the most frequently asked questions which we receive when it comes to interiors is what is the difference between a Toyota OEM floor mat and a rough country floor liner. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the differences and similarities between these two units. Let's first start with the price. The rough countries are coming in at $169.99. Your Toyota OEMs are going to be $179.99. Now both of these units are going to come with both fronts and rear, so you're going to get a driver's side, passenger side, and one large unit for the rear, which is a huge plus. So this will give you full coverage for your full cab. That's pretty much where the similarities end, except they do both utilize the OEM snap rings, so you do not have to worry about these guys shifting back and forth, side to side. Huge plus on there. Next up, let's start talking about the big differences here. First one is going to be material itself. Your Toyota OEM unit is going to be more of a, we'll call it like a rubberized material. It is going to be very slip resistant, which is nice, and it is a softer material. Whereas your rough country floor liner is going to be a heavy duty plastic, still very slip resistant. However, this is going to keep its shape for years to come. Up next, let's talk about the design. Your Toyota OEM one will have the Tundra logo etched into it, whereas our rough country one will have the logo here. So if this is going to be a huge benefit for you right here, having the logo, this is going to be the one for you. Up next, let's talk about the protection itself. As you guys can see with the Toyota OEM one, it is going to be a lot more low profile design. Whereas with the rough country floor liner, we do have these taller walls. This is going to hug the size of your walls, which will give you a lot more protection. Now, this might seem like you do want to go with this, however, it might not be necessary. One of the big cons with these type of floor mats is that if you are depositing a lot of snow or mud or just water into these guys as it's melting, it will or has a huge potential of actually just running off and getting underneath into your carpet. Whereas with this, it will just pull up here, you can just pull it off, empty it out, and you are ready to go. As far as taking care of these and maintaining them, it'll be about 6s to where you just pull them off, power wash them, or just spray them down, and you'll be good to go. One thing to keep in mind, especially with the harder, heavy-duty plastic on the rough countries, do not use interior shining, whatever products on this is, because you don't want this to lose its grippiness. So that's one thing to keep in mind. What I'll do now is throw up some side-by-side shots with the Toyota OEM floor mat next to the floor liner from rough country. One thing to keep in mind is that most other floor liners will have a general same design, with these guys being completely 3D scanned, laser cut, so you like your weather text and so on. Anyway, super short video going over the differences and kind of the similarities between these two guys. Hopefully this helps you guys make a decision whether to purchase a floor mat or a floor liner for your Toyota Tundra or Toyota Sequoia. Let me know what you guys think about either one of these types of products down in the comments below. Also, let us know if you guys do want to see more comparison videos about different types of products, so we can kind of highlight the pros and cons of each or any of them. And until next time, I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you.